Hello, 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 my lovely hillbillies. We are going to do the tabletop. Okay, I had to cut this down to the size that I needed it. I needed to lay it out, to straighten it out overnight and over the half of the day. And I still got lots and lots left. Lots of it left. So I have plenty to do if I needed to do something else, which is great. And I've also set up there. And I've also, well, I'm bent now. I placed everything, well, that I wanted my mat to look like. So I printed out a bunch of individual things. I took 2 pieces of printer paper, taped them together, cut out everything, and then I'm gonna go there. It goes like that, and taped it down on the paper. Basically, what I did was like stuff like this. I didn't use this. I did do the gone hunting, and I cut it out. And these were the little bitty pieces that I used to make the board. And then I had this to cut out, and then the old hillbilly to cut out. And so that's what I did. Ow, my arm is still hurting, guys. But anyway, I hope this works the way I need it to work. So from what I understand, I need to peel off this paper here, lay this on it backwards, and hope like hell everything stays the way it needs to stay. Which I can see. Well, I can't see now. I can see. Just to hope I got everything laid down. That's what I'm hoping. That's under here. That everything stays in its position. So let's get started. So if it doesn't work, I can always start all over because I still got more, right? Right. I don't want this on the outside. I want it on the inside. Maybe I need to enforce that just to be on the safe side there. I think I might do that. Let's do that really quick. Tape. I'd feel safer. I'd feel better. Not safer, but I'd feel better knowing it was going to stay in its place. But once I get it done, you won't be able to see it anyway. You can't really see it now. Those edges want to curl. Let's see if I can stop them from curling. Okay. Did that help? Well, if it's staying together, it's still trying to curl up, but at least it's together. So I just basically put this kind of tape on the back of it and taped it to the bottom of the copier paper. So basically that's what I'm doing now. So enforcing the rest of it to make sure it's going to stay down. I feel like it should. Okay, and this one needs it, yeah. I just don't want to have to redo it for a while. Okay, does that one need it? Yeah, let's go ahead and do that one. Alright, you're sticking up here. Okay, we got you down. We're going to make sure you're not going to move too. Alright, and let's put this on the back of this one. And then I'll adjust the camera better once we get it in place. I don't know if it'll help any or not anyway. because I'm going to need it to where it can be seen like that. Okay, I've got a piece there. Alright. Okay, deep breath. Alright, we're going to move this out of the way. Okay, stay. Alright, now I'm going to move everything out of my way here that I've had it laying down. Okay. Like all my weights and stuff. Okay, I need to put that somewhere. So we can put it right there. Okay. Alright, I'm going to bring y'all up so I got room to move. That's in my way. Get out the way. Okay. Alright, now I got to find a place to peel. And I don't know where. It should be easy to peel since it's been cut. What side don't want to peel? Right. Get this side to peel. Okay, it looks like this is going to take me a little while, isn't it? I thought it was going to be a little quick video. Well, okay, here we go. Okay, Lord. Give me strength. Please give me strength. Okay, come on. It's supposed to not, acetone or anything. It's not supposed to, guess what? I'm stuck to the paper. I'm not a fly. I'm not a fly or a rat. Thank you. Okay, thank you. Any of that should not affect the mat at all. So, moment of truth. We probably want this a little closer to me because that's where we normally do. Okay, let me put it down like that. Make sure it sticks. Okay, now. Okay. I know I keep saying that. Alright, now. We pick this up. The table is clean. I cleaned it yesterday with alcohol, to the best of my knowledge. Okay, now we lay down. Oh, I'm stuck to my camera. Okay. I'm stuck to my camera. Okay, move that out of my way. Move it out of my way. Move it out of my way. Okay, I'm going to start down here. And I'm going to fold. I'm actually going to fold this part in and wrap it. Since this is a glass table, I can do that. Okay, we're going to smooth it out. I'm praying that I'm not going to get any wrinkles or bubbles or any of that in there, which it's very possible that you can. And it looks like I've gotten a few. I need like one of those freaking, I wonder if I can use an old file. That ain't working. I got little bitty air bubbles right there. Little bitty ones. Little bitty. Okay. And you can change it out. And you could take and make little bitty mats to just lay over this part. And that you could just pick up and move whenever you get ready to. Okay. I need you to come up. Please. That's a big bubble there. I want him out. That's going to bug the crap out of me if I don't get it out. Come on. I'm having a hot flash. Just some of this. Okay. And I got a big one right here. Fudge sickle. Oh, shit. When it's stuck, guys. And I didn't even touch that part. Come on. Okay, when it stuck a while ago, it's stuck. Okay, I'm trying to get to that air bubble. And I'll smooth that air bubble out, and then I'll start slowly. I tore a hair of it. I see. Come on, there's one more air bubble. Okay, I'm stopping right there. I'm not even going to worry about those little bitty air bubbles. Okay. Try to put my hand underneath here and smooth it out as I go. Oh shit, it laid itself back down. And I don't want to pick it back up. But I'm going to, because if I don't, it's going to bug me. It's going to bug the hell out of me. I can handle little bitty ones, and I just can't handle no big ones. At all. Now you could probably do this on a piece of, like a piece of board that you can just move whenever you get ready to move, like the, like the office desk calendars that's on that board. You could probably do it like that too. That way you can move it. But I'm not trying to move this one anytime soon. You hear that bubble? I'm trying to work him out. It's a little bitty one. My thing goes there, so I'm not really too much. It's working to it. I'll sit here and play with this until I get this sucker out of here. I know I will. Here it goes. So I knew it was going to come out. So, and there's little bitty ones in here. I'm going to have to work them out, in which I will. No problem. Okay. What you said. Okay. So there is some small ones up here, which I'll get them out. Honey, trust me, I'll get them out. I'm going to find a scraper somewhere to scrape them out. And I got a couple of little ones over here on the side, but I don't have any like right here that I can see. So I got it done. I know I got a scraper somewhere. I don't think I can do it with scissors. I need a utility scraper. That's what I need. But, like I said, right here, I usually put this, when I'm not using it, right there. I put my keyboard right here so I can type when I'm working on certain stuff. See, so now you can't see it. So, I mean, it's no big deal.